8 foods that can harm your prostate. Health. When it comes to men's health, the prostate gland often doesn't get the attention it deserves until something goes wrong. This small but mighty organ, about the size of a walnut, plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system. It produces seminal fluid, which nourishes and transports sperm. But as men age, the prostate can become a source of health issues, ranging from benign enlargement to more serious conditions like prostate cancer. In this video, we'll explore 8 foods that research suggests may harm your prostate health. 1. Red meat. A delicious dilemma. Red meat has long been a staple in many diets around the world. From juicy steaks to hearty burgers, it's a food that many people love. However, when it comes to prostate health, red meat might be more of a foe than a friend. Studies have shown a link between high consumption of red meat and an increased risk of prostate cancer. But why is this the case? There are several factors at play. Saturated fat. Red meat is often high in saturated fat. This type of fat has been associated with inflammation in the body, which can potentially promote the growth of cancer cells. Heterocyclic amines, HCAs. When meat is cooked at high temperatures, such as grilling or frying, it produces compounds called HCAs. These chemicals have been shown to be carcinogenic in animal studies. 2. Dairy products, a double-edged sword. Dairy products have long been promoted as an essential part of a healthy diet, particularly for their calcium content and role in bone health. However, when it comes to prostate health, the picture becomes a bit more complicated. Several large-scale studies have found a correlation between high dairy intake and an increased risk of prostate cancer. This association has been particularly strong with whole milk and other high-fat dairy products. But what's behind this link? Let's break it down. Calcium overload. While calcium is crucial for bone health, excessive amounts might be problematic for the prostate. Some studies suggest that very high calcium intake may increase prostate cancer risk. The mechanism isn't fully understood, but it may involve calcium's effect on vitamin D metabolism. Growth factors. Milk naturally contains insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1. This hormone is important for growth and development, but high levels in adults have been associated with increased cancer risk, including prostate cancer. 3. Alcohol. Moderation is key. For many, enjoying a cold beer after work or a glass of wine with dinner is a pleasurable part of life. However, when it comes to prostate health, alcohol consumption is an area where caution is warranted. The relationship between alcohol and prostate health is complex and not fully understood. Some studies suggest that moderate alcohol consumption might actually have a protective effect against prostate cancer, while others indicate that heavy drinking could increase risk. Let's delve into why alcohol might be problematic for prostate health. Hormonal effects. Alcohol can influence hormone levels in the body, including testosterone and estrogen. These hormonal changes could potentially impact prostate health and cancer risk. Dehydration. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production and can lead to dehydration. This can irritate the bladder and potentially worsen symptoms of prostate enlargement, such as frequent urination. Calorie content. Alcoholic beverages are often high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. Obesity is a risk factor for aggressive forms of prostate cancer. 4. Processed foods, hidden dangers. In our fast-paced world, processed foods have become a convenient staple in many diets. From frozen dinners to packaged snacks, these foods offer quick and easy options for busy lifestyles. However, when it comes to prostate health, processed foods might be doing more harm than good. Processed foods are typically defined as items that have been changed from their natural state for safety or convenience. This can range from minimally processed items like bagged spinach to heavily processed foods like packaged cakes or microwave dinners. It's the heavily processed foods that tend to be most problematic for health, including prostate health. Here's why. High in unhealthy fats. Many processed foods are high in trans fats and saturated fats. These types of fats can promote inflammation in the body, which is linked to various health issues, including prostate problems. Excess sodium. Processed foods often contain high levels of sodium as a preservative and flavor enhancer. High sodium intake has been associated with increased risk of high blood pressure, which can potentially impact prostate health. 5. Sugary foods and beverages, a sweet threat. We all love a sweet treat now and then, but when it comes to prostate health, sugar might be more of a villain than a friend. Sugary foods and beverages, including sodas, candies, baked goods, and even seemingly healthy options like fruit juices, can potentially have negative effects on your prostate. The problem with sugar goes beyond just empty calories. Here's why excessive sugar consumption might be harmful to your prostate. Inflammation. High sugar intake can lead to chronic inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to various health issues, including prostate problems and potentially even prostate cancer. 6. Fried foods, a crispy conundrum. Who doesn't love the satisfying crunch of a perfectly fried food? Whether it's crispy French fries, golden onion rings, or a plate of fried chicken, these foods are undeniably delicious. However, when it comes to prostate health, fried foods might be doing more harm than good. Trans fats. Many fried foods contain trans fats, especially if they're fried in partially hydrogenated oils. Trans fats are known to increase inflammation in the body, which can potentially contribute to prostate problems. Fried foods are problematic for several reasons. Trans fats. Many fried foods contain trans fats, especially if they're fried in partially hydrogenated oils. Trans fats are known to increase inflammation in the body, which can potentially contribute to prostate problems. Acrylamide formation. When starchy foods are fried at high temperatures, they can form a compound called acrylamide. Some studies have suggested that acrylamide might be linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, including prostate cancer, although more research is needed. 7. Spicy foods, a hot topic. Spicy foods can add excitement and flavor to our meals, but for some men, they might also add discomfort, especially when it comes to prostate health. While spicy foods don't directly cause prostate problems, they can exacerbate symptoms in men who already have prostate issues. In conclusion, being mindful of your diet is crucial for maintaining prostate health. Avoiding foods like red and processed meats, dairy, and high-sugar items can significantly reduce risks. Opt for healthier alternatives such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to promote better prostate health. Small changes in your diet can lead to significant benefits, ensuring long-term well-being. Stay informed, eat wisely, and prioritize your health for a better future.